Ready for a website builder showdown? We're pitting Elementor against Hostinger to see which one reigns supreme. First up, ease of use. Elementor's drag-and-drop interface is incredibly intuitive. Hostinger's builder is also user-friendly, but less flexible for complex layouts. Let's talk features. Elementor boasts a massive library of widgets. Hostinger provides essential features, but lacks some advanced options. Pricing is crucial. Elementor has a freemium model. Hostinger's builder is included in their hosting plans. Customization is key for branding. Elementor offers extensive customization. Hostinger allows some, but is more limited. Finally, performance. Both platforms can create fast-loading websites. Elementor, when paired with Go hosting, can be optimized for excellent speed. So, who wins? Elementor excels in flexibility. Hostinger offers a cost-effective solution. The best choice depends on your priorities.